Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Suzuki Vitara Jeep 1.6 2010 on a 59 plate, one owner from new, full service history, 7 stamps, 47,000 miles, just been serviced and just been MOT'd. The MOT's obviously no advisories. So what we'll do is take you around the outside of the car, taking you to the inside. The tyres are all in absolutely super condition, as the alloys are. Taking you down the line of the car. There's no supermarket trolley dents. The tyres look nigh on new, to be fair. Taking in the roof line and the rear boot. Now, as you can see, it's an SZ4, so it's now in the top of the range. This has been replaced, would you believe, and this bumper area here, and that's all that it was. Unbelievable. Insurance gone mad, but there you go. Taking in again, look at the tyres on it. Taking down the line of the car, nothing crazy whatsoever. So there you'll have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. Back now. So what I'm going to do first is take you inside the car and start with the engine bay. What we'll do is have a good look round with this. How clean and lovely is this? All present and correct. Great engine these as well, absolutely super engine. So as I said, it's a 2010, one owner from new. So here's the driver's side door card. Electric windows, electric door mirror, as you can see. Nice thing as well, it's got 2 keys and 2 remote key fobs. Multi-function steering wheel. CD, 5-speed box. 47,000 miles. Got 7 service stamps with it. Headline's in great condition. Just a good, solid car. So as I said, one owner, 47,000 miles, a 2010 rear door card. Nice to see the parcel shelf there. Not often that it is there. Passenger side door card. Dash is in excellent condition. Again, the seats as well. It is a well looked after car. So there you have it. So let's just to round off. It's a 2010 on a 59 plate, 47,000 miles, one owner from new, 7 service stamps, just been serviced, just been MOT'd. It was a category N because it had this rear bumper damage, which has now been repaired. It had the light replaced and the bumper repaired. If you need any further information on the car, please don't hesitate to call me. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.